It's okay. I like puto usually, but this kind of tastes like laundry detergent.
You make me feel like there's blue skies and sunshine and everything will be alright. 'Cause I never have to worry. You always push me to my limit. And at the end of the day, I know we're winning. 'Cause you take me high. Yeah, you take me high. Oh, you take me high. You take me high.
What's up, you guys? It's Monique back with another video. As you can see, I am in the Philippines. And this is my family's house. These are, I don't know whose dogs these are. They're just random dogs and there's so many of them. That's my whole family over there. They're eating breakfast. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. So I'm going to walk to the store to grab, hi, good morning. I'm gonna go get to the store to get some snacks so me and Brooklyn can do this snack challenge. Yeah, so there's a 7-Eleven. Actually, I'm gonna get a whole bunch of snacks. There's a market around here, so I'm going to, you know what? I'm gonna catch one of these little buggies and I'm going to the market to grab some snacks. I'm going by myself. Pray for my safe return. And let's go. So this is the route I usually take to the store. If you guys don't know, my grandparents grew up here. This little town is called San Juan, and it's near La Union. If you guys, is that a basketball in there? If you guys don't know, it's called La Union, and it's a little town called San Juan. So my whole family grew up around here. My grandpa and my grandma, my Lola and my Lolo, they met here, and they were raised in this town, so they frequented all these spots and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool to be able to visit where I'm from, and then to, you know, also to be able to let the kids know where they're from. You know, I'm a strong believer of letting people know, like, in order for even me, like, to know who I am, I have to see where I'm from, you know, how my family was, how they grew up, who they are, and it further lets me know who I am. So anybody, if you ever get a chance to go visit anywhere you're from or to learn more about your heritage, I really highly suggest that you do so. All right, enough of that. Let's go get the grub. So the market, the corner store, I think I'm gonna go to, because they have all the brands of stuff that people may know of that are Filipino, is gonna be at the 7-Eleven. So I'm gonna walk in here and see what kind of snacks, hi, good morning, that we can get. Okay, she told me that if I go to the market, I'll find better snacks and stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna head down to the market. So wish me luck, I'm still going by myself. So I got in one of these little buggy things so I can go to the market. So I also got some other snacks from here. Some of these I recognize as my favorite. There's some pancit right there. Some arroz caldo. And we'll take it back to the house. Okay, I got a little lost on the way back, but it's all good. I just found the 7-Eleven. So I know how to get back to where I'm from. I mean, to where, you know, where I live from there. And I got all my stuff. I bet you like $100 they're eating breakfast already. I swear these guys eat all the time. Like all the time. As soon as we're done eating, it's time to eat again. I bet you I'm right. Yep, I hear everybody in the breakfast area. I gotta hide this food because they're gonna be offended that I bought food. What's up? It's your girl Monique, back with another video. I want to first of all thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I want to thank you for everything. Before we get into this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and comment on everything. And I appreciate you guys once again. And let's get into this video. So I'm here with my daughter. If you guys don't know, introduce yourself.
Brooklyn.
So this is Brooklyn. If you guys don't know, we're in the Philippines right now. And we are going to just try different type of snacks or candy or whatever. So if you are familiar with the Filipino culture, if you're Filipino, comment on what you guys like. She's eating pancit right now out of a plastic bag. Look at this. We got it from the market. So yeah, comment on what, I don't know what this stuff is. I just grabbed a bunch of stuff from the market. So if you guys are familiar with this stuff, let me know what your favorite stuff is in the comments below, and let's get to this video. So we're gonna try different snacks just to kind of see what, you know, to familiarize ourselves with this culture and to see what, if the snacks are good or anything like that. So we got a bunch of candies and juices and stuff like that. So
We're gonna try this first.
what is that? Wait, hold on. What's it? So we're gonna try this first. It says sweet candies, China. I don't know what this is. It looks like Polverone. If you guys know
It looks
what
like
Polverone.
that stuff that we watch when they be eating dry clay.
Oh, it does look like that. So we are gonna try this. Let's see what it tastes like. It feels like clay. Hold on. Ready?
It's weird.
Yeah. Oh, it's really. It tastes like dough. I don't like this. You like it?
I kind of like it.
I don't like it.
It's like
chalk. It tastes like chalk.
it tastes like clay.
It does taste like clay. You like it?
No, it don't taste like clay.
It's sweet though.
It tastes like, no, the texture is like clay.
But it tastes very sweet.
And it melts in your mouth fast.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's try something different. What should we try next? Okay, the next thing we're gonna try is little, I don't know what these are. It says Jelly Pudding by Jelly Boy. So we're gonna try one of these. What color do you want? Green?
Wait, what is?
There's green, there's red, and there's orange. I'm gonna try red.
Oh.
Let's do it at the same time. Is it nasty already?
I'm not telling you. I'm just gonna eat it with you.
Okay, ready? Get set, go. I'm not a fan. Sorry, guys. Somebody's favorite. Okay, so
Whose favorite?
I don't know. Somebody in the comments. Okay, let's try Bang Bang. Try Bang Bang. It says 4 delicious tastes in 1 bite. Wafer, caramel, crispy chocolate. Stop. Brooklyn. Okay, so you take a piece. It looks like a Kit Kat. And then I'll take a piece. Ready? It's pretty good. It's just like, I don't know what it tastes like.
Oh no.
There's so much chocolate.
Sure does good.
It's okay. Okay, so we also got these. We have Capri Suns in the United States. These are called Biggie Coolers.
The apple?
This is apple flavor, and this is Guyabano flavor.
Where's
I don't know
straws?
what a Guyabano is, so I'm not.
Where's the straw?
You want to try the Guyabano? So the straws come in here.
You try the Guyabano.
Should I try the Guyabano? Yeah. Okay, I'll try the Guyabano flavor. I'm kind of scared to try it because. Oh, it's not bad. It tastes like dragon fruit or something.
Wait.
I'm sorry. I'm thirsty. That was good, actually.
Well,
It's the best thing I had so far. That's really good. Does it taste like apple juice? It's good, huh? Ooh, we're thirsty.
I was thirsty.
Okay, what's next? Let's try this. There's a lot of chocolate. Fudge bar. I'm gonna get a headache from all these sweets. Okay, we're gonna try the fudge bar. This is what it actually looks like. It looks like a, I guess a cupcake.
A muffin.
It looks like a muffin, yeah. Filipinos love chocolate because everything is chocolate. Okay, ready? Go.
Smell it. You should have smelled it.
Oh, it's not bad.
It don't taste like regular
The
chocolate.
aftertaste is.
It don't taste like regular chocolate.
Yeah, it doesn't. When you first bite it, it tastes like regular chocolate, but then the aftertaste is a little bit weird. It's different, actually. Okay. This is for Brooklyn. She's gonna like these. She remind me of you. Chubby. Here, Brooklyn.
That's crazy because who's more chubby over here? I might not want to eat it, Mom. I'm chubby.
Okay. So what this is, it says milk chewy candy.
Oh, my braces.
So this is what it looks
Hold
like.
on.
It looks like this.
I had something like this before.
It smells good.
Like, Mom, you're not waiting for me.
I'm sorry. Here, just take the other half of this.
Yeah.
This is good. It kind of tastes like a Laffy Taffy. It tastes like a vanilla Laffy Taffy. Right? Mmm.
Let's try this.
Okay. What is that? This is called assorted mini fruits candy. I don't want to try this
Me
one.
neither.
It looks like it will be nerds or something.
Yeah, and I don't like nerds.
Want to try the chocolate milk?
I can't drink chocolate milk. Every time I think about it, it makes me kind of want to throw up because I had a bad experience.
What happened?
I'm not gonna say you're not gonna want to eat anything no more.
I don't care about something.
Well, yes, you do.
Okay.
Yesterday, they were
This.
serving goat, and it was good.
Oh yeah, it was good. So this is puto.
Puto?
We are going to try this. You know what puto is?
Rice?
Yeah, pretty much like a red rice.
And pink one.
Okay, I'll do purple.
Ouch!
What is on the middle of that?
I know, it's probably the stuffing in here.
Is it cheese? Mm-mm. Ready?
Go.
Go. It's okay. I like puto usually, but this kind of tastes like laundry detergent.
I don't taste
Doesn't it taste like laundry detergent?
I don't taste
It depends on who makes it. Anyway, you guys, I think we've had enough here. I want to say thank you guys for watching. Did you want to try anything else, Brooklyn? Maybe we'll do a part 2, but my stomach's hurting a little bit.
Yeah.
And I love you guys. Thank you for watching. And we'll come back with some more videos. Bye. Like I always say, what do I always say?
Stay moe, you dig?
Mo gang or no gang, we out this thing.